Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how I make my delicious chicken fried rice over here. Look how beautiful that looks. This is for my breakfast, and I also have some for lunch later on. So guys, I hope you guys give this recipe a try and let me know how it went, and also don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's begin. Very quick and easy and delicious to make. Okay guys, over here I got two cut up chicken breasts over here. Two small chicken breasts that are cut up into small pieces for this chicken fried rice. You can use any part of the chicken, like chicken thighs is obviously the best part, but I'm using some chicken breasts here. So first we're just going to give it a little quick marinade before we pan fry this. So first we're just going to dust it with a little bit of salt. Dust it with a little bit of white pepper. Add in half a teaspoon of sugar. Add in a quarter teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder. Drizzle some sesame oil. Okay, let's just give this a little mix first. Okay, now I'm just going to add in 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. This will help make the chicken more crispier when we pan fry it. And it will also help seal the flavor into the chicken breast. So give that a good mix. Okay guys, so I'm just going to let this rest for about 15 minutes. Then we can start doing our chicken fried rice. But let me just show you what other ingredients I'm using for this fried rice. Okay guys, so over here I got 3 large eggs that are whisked up in a bowl over here. Then you're also going to obviously need your overnight cooked white rice over here. Then here I chopped up 1 small onion and also chopped up a little bit of celery, so I put this together. Over here I peeled some carrot slices, and I also added in a bunch of chopped up spring onions over here. Okay guys, so that's the ingredients you need, so let's get cooking. Okay guys, so let's heat up our pan. First we're going to pan fry our chicken breast. Let's add in some oil here and dump in our chicken breast. Just spread it out evenly in your pan and then just leave it there to cook, and then we'll flip it around and it should be ready. Okay, let's flip it around a little bit. You see guys, if you don't have eat the cornstarch, once you pan fry your chicken, you release all its juices. And then when you eat the chicken fried rice, it will be too dry. So you need to first marinate your chicken breast, and then you'll trap in all the flavors and juices in the chicken. Like this. Look how beautiful it looks. Okay, so I cleaned my pan. Let's fry our eggs now. Let's add in some olive oil. So first we're gonna cook our eggs. You can see my eggs is whisked up already. Let's put this in. Turn your heat down to medium. You don't want the eggs to be burnt. You want some very golden yellow colored eggs over here. Just go rinse it around the pan like this. They cook for a few seconds. We're just going to lift it up like that and then rinse it back down on the pan. A nice golden egg over here, almost like an omelette. Make sure it's not well cooked. Okay, so this is what you're looking for. We can lift this out, place it together with our chicken breast. See, look at that egg. This is what you're looking for, guys. You don't want that very dry egg that you get in restaurants and all that stuff. Now let's do the fried rice. Check that out, the chicken and the eggs. Okay, let's pan fry our onions and celery on medium heat. Add in a little bit of oil. So it's just a small onion and a little bit of celery. Let the flavors come out first. You only increase the heat once we combine the chicken, the eggs and the rice all together. And also the seasoning. Then we can lift up the heat to the highest. Then you'll end up with that delicious wok hei kind of chicken fried rice that we all love. Okay, so we just cook up the onions like that. Now we can add in our overnight rice. There's enough rice for like 2 portions, so I'm doing a 2-portion chicken fried rice over here. So break it up in the pan. The heat doesn't need to be so high, just on the lowest heat is fine. So just give it a little mix, the onions and the celery. If your rice is like too dry, your overnight rice is too dry, you're just going to get some water and just flicker it into your rice over here, and then it will soften up. But since my rice is well cooked and it's soft, then I don't need that. Okay, now that all the rice has separated, we can dump in our eggs and our chicken. First I'm just going to dump in my egg to break it up into the rice. Just like this, the egg, just first break it up like this on top. Okay, once it's broken up, then mix it into the rice. And as you can see, I'm cooking on the lowest heat because I don't want nothing to burn. Look at that golden color eggs over here. That's what we want, guys. Okay. Once that is done, we can fuse in with the chicken breast over here. Give it a good mix as well. Okay, now we can tune down the heat to season our rice. Okay, first we're going to just give it a good sprinkle of salt. Just like that. Give it a good sprinkle of white pepper. We'll add in half a teaspoon of sugar. We'll add in a 1/4 teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder. This is a no MSG chicken fried rice over here. Okay, and now we can add in our grated carrot and our spring onions as well. Okay, we're going to tune up the heat to the highest now. And we're going to keep on stir frying the rice with all these ingredients over here. And make sure you keep on stir frying or else your rice or your chicken burns. We increase the heat so that the rice will dry up a bit. So you end up with that delicious drier kind of chicken fried rice over here. If you don't increase the heat, you'll be left with that kind of mushy kind of chicken fried rice over here. Okay, tune up the heat. Okay, a good mix with all that spices. Next, you're going to drizzle a little bit of oyster sauce all around, just like that. And don't add soy sauce because soy sauce is salty, guys. Like most of the restaurants do, and the fried rice is not that good. Turn back up the heat to the highest and just stir fry this. Smells so good. Wow, there you go, guys. This one I'll leave it for lunch. Wow, just check that out, guys. Delicious chicken fried rice. Look at how beautiful that looks. Wow, it's time for a taste. Hey guys, check out my delicious chicken fried rice over here. Look how beautiful that looks. Wow. Okay, let's just give this a taste. Check out that bite. Chicken, egg fried rice. Let's bite. So good, guys. So tasty and delicious.